For some reason, if you want customers of your online store to be able to add a file upload field on the single product page, this video is for you. So this is how your single product page might have looked like, and after adding the file upload field, this is how it's going to look like, so that users can browse in order to attach files when they are trying to buy your product. So to achieve this, what we want to do is install a plugin. Let me take it back to the default. To install the plugin, I go to the backend of my website, then I go over to plugins, click on add plugin. Under search plugins, I search for multiple file upload. And this is the plugin I'm going to use, drag and drop multiple file upload for WooCommerce. So I click on install now. Then I go ahead and activate. It is activated successfully. Now if I go to the front end to my product and refresh, we should be able to get this feature right here where users can click in order to upload a file. With this, they can be able to upload images as well as text files. Now if I go to the back end, then I go over to WooCommerce, click on settings. You see we have file uploads right here. We are seeing this feature as a result of the plugin we just installed. So if you want to customize it or change anything, you can go to file uploads here. And this way you can actually change the text. So for instance, if you want to change the drag and drop text, which is here, you just need to type what you want. So I can say upload files, something like that. If I scroll down and save, then I come back to the front end. So instead of drag and drop files here, if I refresh, it will now be upload files. Going back here, I want to mention two important features. For instance, the number of files you can upload, that is maximum file upload. So at the moment it is set to 10 by default. So whatever maximum you want, if you want them to upload 50 files, you can go ahead and specify it in. I'll just leave the default. If you also want to enter minimum number of files they can upload, you can enter it right here. I'll leave the default. So this is one feature I want to mention. Another one is supported file types. So this is where you want to specify the kind of files you want your customers to be uploading. So if you want them to upload JPEG, JPG, PNG, GIF, and then SVG, you can specify them. If you also want them to upload Word document, you need to enter DOCX. So this represents document, or you can just say doc, depending upon the kind of Microsoft Word version you are using. For this, I'll just leave it as empty, which means that they can upload any file they want. All is set. I click on save changes. Now let's go ahead and test our product. So if I click on browse, then I go ahead and upload my files. Click on open. You see the progress right here. They are being uploaded, and you see that I have 2 of 10, which means that I've uploaded 2 items out of 10 in total. I click on add to cart, view cart. So you see the uploaded files right here. Then proceed to checkout. In here, I enter my billing details. Then I go ahead and accept the terms and conditions, place order. I will be taken to my payment gateway. I'll just select this. I'm using a test payment option. I click on pay. Payment is successful, and I will be taken to the thank you page. Perfect. So if I go to the back end, then I go over to orders. See, I have the order here. I'll just click on the name of the customer. From here, I'll see the files that are being uploaded by the customer. So if I want to download any of them, I'll just click on it. And it will open in a new tab. What I do is right click, click on save image as. Then I can save it to my computer. And it's downloaded right here. I go back and I can do the same thing to the rest of the files. So that's it on how you can add multiple file upload fields to the WooCommerce product page of your website. Now, if you want to learn how to create the website on which I've added this feature, you can stick around to watch the complete tutorial on the screen right now. It's actually a drop servicing website. So keep watching and I'll see you in that video.